Welcome back to another video. In this video we're doing something different. We'll be talking to Toby, who's going on an adventure, Toby and Si's Adventures, in this Mark 1 TT. And what they're doing is they're driving to Istanbul to raise money for charity. So you can tell us all about the charity that you're raising money for?
It's called St Barnabas House. It's a local charity to us. It's basically end-of-life care, cancer patients and stuff like that. So it's really well needed at the moment. You know, they only get a certain amount of money, government funded, and it costs somewhere in the region of £9 million a year to run the place with all the care that they provide care in-house and out as well.
Okay, brilliant. So look, everyone, I'll put a link in the description, so please donate, help this cause. It's a great cause, so don't be cheap. So Toby,
yes,
I have to ask you a question.
Okay.
Why a Mark 1 TT?
Mark 1 TT. I wanted to go in a bit of comfort this time.
Oh, so
we've done this
before?
Yes, we've done this before. First time was in a day Umatiz. Yeah, we did 16 countries in 5.5 days.
Right.
The reason we did it in a day Umatiz was we were given the car to use to do it. The second one, we went to the Western Sahara and back in a week. That was in a Suzuki Alto, which was given to me by my sister when she passed. So it felt fitting to actually use her car.
No, absolutely.
You know, but we're all getting a bit older and a bit stiffer, so it's something that's got aircon, cruise control, you know, just general basics of a modern car.
And obviously being a Quattro as well, it will get you out of any sort of sticky situations you may find yourself in.
That's what we're hoping for. That's what we're hoping for.
I think it's an absolute great choice of cars to do this journey with. 100%. And I see you've got obviously some sponsors as well on the side.
We have this door and the other door. They always sponsor us. They've been great. There will be more sponsors coming up.
No,
we just
definitely
haven't got the stickers made up yet.
So when is the journey actually starting?
16th of July.
16th of July.
Yeah.
Okay. So people, come on, get that money coming in.
Please.
So can you just tell us a little bit about the car? Like what's done to it? Is it all been like serviced recently? Her cam belt's all done? It's all ready to rock and roll?
When I got it, it came with pretty much full service history.
Okay.
And he had just had the pickup pipe done.
Okay, that's always worth doing, definitely.
Yeah, that's what he said. He said he knows
always
that they
do
suffer.
your pickup pipe.
Definitely. He said he knows that they suffer with them, so he had it done. It wasn't showing any signs, but he had it done anyway.
Yeah, exactly. Precaution.
Yeah.
Exactly.
Cam belt's still got to be done.
Okay.
But we'll get around to that. We've still got a bit of time. Apart from that, what have we done? We've put a downpipe on. Obviously going from standard to 3-inch with a decat, air filter, silicone tip.
Right. Just to help it breathe a little bit better.
Yeah, basically that's what it is. It's to get it to breathe in and breathe out. We don't want it to be as fast as anything because we want it to still be pretty fuel efficient.
Yes, no,
obviously
definitely.
For the mileage we're doing.
So how many miles is the journey?
It's going to be about 5,000.
5,000, so it's quite a lot of miles.
It is.
Is the little TT going to make it? I'm sure it will. I'm sure it will. Take some precautions with you.
Yes. Yeah, it will or it won't.
No, absolutely.
But it should. By the time we go, it should be ready.
It should be ready to rock and roll. Should have no problems with it at all. See, another sort of like good little things to look at is like get like the Halix service.
Yes.
Just make sure all the fluids are fresh because you don't want anything to happen while you're on the road. And I'd like to help you with your journey as well.
Okay.
So I brought this with me to help you. If you get yourself into any sticky situations, this is a specific VAG tool for diagnostics. You haven't got to use your phone. It's literally everything's all in there that you need. So you have any problems on the journey, you can see what the faults are, delete them, and carry on your journey. Because I don't want anything to stop it.
Wow. Thank you very much, Chris.
No problem at all.
That's brilliant. That's
the least
just what
we can
need.
do.
Yeah, that's just what we need. Make sure everything, as you say, runs smooth.
Exactly. And obviously, you never know whether you can have internet or not. So I thought it's best to get one like that.
Yes.
We haven't got to rely on your Wi-Fi or anything like that. So you literally have everything you need to get going and delete any codes. And carry on the journey.
Thank you very much.
So just have a quick more look around the car and stuff and have a look underneath the bonnet.
Yeah, go for it.
See what's happening underneath that. Oh, let's have a look inside first actually. Right, so we've got quite a lot of things going on in here, haven't we?
Yes.
So we've got a tablet all hooked up.
Yep.
GoPro.
That's a Road Angel.
Road Angel, yep. Don't be getting nicked. Oh, it's actually got the sat nav as well.
Yeah.
I know another guy that's got that sat nav.
Who do you know that's got that, Chris?
Andy Charger has that sat nav
thought he
too.
might have.
It's a very rare thing, and now I know 2 people with it. But no, so what have you got going on in the back?
Sort of a bit of a rear seat delete.
Yeah.
If we pop the boot,
Yeah.
you can probably see it better. So we've got the most important thing of all, the fridge.
Absolutely.
Got to keep your drinks cool.
Absolutely. And I see you've got the cup holders as well.
Yes, it came with cup holders, which was great. We've got a couple more up on the front in the air vents. But the wooden box there has a second battery in it that's all hooked up to charging.
Okay.
So that it can power the fridge. And we've got the 240 volt transformer because you need a cup of coffee every now and then.
Well, no, exactly that.
You know what I mean? So we'll be taking a kettle with us.
Absolutely. No, that's
Yeah,
that's
we're
brilliant.
going for proper luxury this
No,
time.
that is definitely brilliant. Good idea on that.
Yeah.
100%. So where will you be sleeping?
At the side of the road.
Just taking tents, pop-up
Yeah.
tents?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yep, just got
Alright,
a couple of
fair
pop-up
enough.
ones.
So you can see the map on the back of the car of the journey. Let's have a quick look underneath the bonnet and see what's happening on that. Oh, I need to pop it. Oh, you're going to pop
That's
it?
cool,
Oh,
yeah.
brilliant. Nice one. As you can see, before I put the bonnet, it does have a scoop.
That does nothing.
That does nothing, but it stands out.
Yeah.
It will make people look and,
That's the thing,
and
yeah.
see what you're about.
Yeah.
And so you've got like a light bar and a nudge bar
Yep.
and everything sort of on there, so nothing's going to get in your way and stop this. No. So as you're saying, yeah, as you said earlier, you've got the air filter, you've got the silicone pipe,
Yep.
you've done the 249
Yep.
delete, left it plugged in so you don't get any warnings.
Yep. It's just till it gets mapped out.
Yeah. Your dipstick tube's out at the moment.
Okay, that's
Let
great.
me just fix that for you right now. There you go. No more oil leaks from there.
That's it.
So no, it's all looking good. All looking good. So this is all going to be like freshly serviced, ready for before you go.
Yes.
So it'll all be ready to go. That'd be brilliant.
You have to hold it because I put the scoop on. It
Oh right,
weighs
so
it
the
down a
extras
bit
wait from the scoop. It keeps on making it close.
Yeah.
So no, it's all good. It's all good. Obviously, any help you need with anything, just let us know. And obviously we want to help
Yeah, no, that's great. Thank you.
to make sure you get your journey on the way. Okay, brilliant. So that's Toby, who's doing this invention with his mate Si. So make sure you follow them. I'm sure they're on Facebook and everything like that. So follow their journey, donate some money, and I'm sure we'll be speaking to them closer to the time before they get going on their journey. And hopefully we'll be able to do some live streaming with them while they're actually doing their journey as well, so we can see how they're getting on. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.